Viewers, first pictures of what many believe is the first couple of Bollywood of Gen Next. Ranveer Singh with Deepika Padukone. Ranveer wearing a floppy hat, and that's Deepika in a white trench coat as she enters the airport. Huge amount of security, a layer of security around them. They are traveling with 4 other people. One of them is thought to be Karishma. One of the individuals is leading the pack, and that might just be Karishma. Remember, the couple are quite tall, and therefore anyone else around them in the group would be obviously of a more diminutive stature. But those pictures coming to you via our reporters who have been staking out the resort in Goa for the last 2 days. We were hoping for a statement. That's why we actually went there. We were told that Deepika might actually hold an impromptu press conference. We weren't stalking anybody unless you get the wrong idea. But no statement forthcoming. We have had no communication with Deepika's team or even Deepika Padukone. We contacted her, of course, after reporting that chat which has landed her in trouble and landed her actually a summons from the Narcotics Control Bureau. But as of now, those pictures are of the couple since these accusations were made and since the summons were issued. Deepika as well as Ranveer wearing those masks, but clearly looking as if they want privacy. They're guarding their privacy. Deepak Bopanna and Shabir have been, of course, at the airport. You've been hearing from them. They're expected to take a chartered flight, I'm told, in the next 20 minutes or so. They're expected to land in Mumbai about an hour afterwards. Remember, if it's a chartered flight, it will be a smaller plane, and smaller planes don't fly as fast as commercial charters, commercial aircrafts. So expect that flight to be slightly longer than the duration it would normally take for a flight to travel between Goa and Mumbai. So a little over an hour. They will land in Mumbai. That's around 9:15 or so. We're hoping still, of course, to get more visuals of the first couple of Bollywood. But obviously, viewers, as of now, this is what we have to contend with. Not one statement in the last few days from Deepika or even her legal representatives. Now, we know that Deepika has been consulting at least 6 different legal firms, trying to find the best individual who could represent her and also, of course, provide her the tactical legal strategy she needs to perhaps either stonewall or get herself out of this pickle that she finds herself in. Remember, viewers, even before Deepika lands in Mumbai for a date with the drug agency officials, an elaborate attempt is being made to shield her from the alleged drug taint. While the responsibility of defending her falls primarily upon her legal team, the effort to provide her with a fig leaf is being led by a group of rattled Bollywood bigwigs and opposition leaders. Yes, it's all getting politicized. This group is claiming that Deepika is being punished for a 2020 appearance she made to show solidarity with anti-CAA protesters in JNU. Still others from this group are saying that the date of the interrogation has been deliberately fixed to distract from farmers' agitation that are scheduled to take place tomorrow. But we all know now that Deepika is not going to the NCP tomorrow. She is going day after. So that wild theory that is being floated by a large number of opposition politicians completely falls flat. And let me first acquaint you with what is being said. Karti Chidambaram came out and said, settling scores with Deepika for showing solidarity with JNU, distracting the nation from the real issues of minus 23.9%, which is, of course, a reference to GDP figures. Majid Memon has also built on this narrative. He's of the NCP, saying Deepika had shown solidarity with JNU students. That is why she's the favorite of the NCB to be summoned, forgetting, of course, that there are several others who have also been summoned by the NCB and some of them are not as famous, of course, as Deepika Padukone. Anurag Kashyap also added his bit, but we really don't need to dwell on that. Nagma, look at Nagma. Nagma said Deepika backed JNU, accused in the drug case, not Kangana. Nagma is a Congress leader, and her, of course, intervention has meant that this entire matter has taken on a political color. Let's just keep those visuals on the screens, Nizam Bhai. It matters less that the courts need to be put out. It's those visuals. These are the first visuals of Deepika Padukone as she takes off for Mumbai. The next 48 hours will be crucial for her. Questions will be fired at her by the NCP. The questions will, of course, revolve around the drug chats, which I just want you to see. Let's keep the visuals on one side and that drug chat, which has landed her the summons from the NCP on the other. But what is being discussed in this drug chat? It appears, viewers, that this is a conversation, prima facie, about drugs. So Deepika is asking Karishma, who is an agent, an image consultant, image management, call it what you want to, belonging to a firm called Quan, which is one of the biggest firms in Bollywood. She says, Mal you have, K, Mal you have, Karishma, Mal you have, not weed, yes, hash. This is what Karishma says to Deepika. So Deepika doesn't want weed, she wants hash, presumably. So that is really the sum of that particular conversation. Many people are saying, how can NCB prove that Mal actually refers to drugs? It could mean a plethora of other things. Also, can NCP actually prove that the drugs were actually handed over to Deepika Padukone by Karishma at the Coco restaurant where the rendezvous was supposed to take place? Obviously, that's a big question. The NCB will obviously want us all to believe that a transaction took place and that Deepika Padukone is guilty of consumption of drugs or perhaps even supplying drugs to others. We don't know, viewers. Can the NCP indict Deepika based on 3-year-old chats? Remember, this conversation took place in 2017. We don't know if the NCB has more chats. We were being told by sources that don't rule it out, but we have no confirmation to that effect. We have none of those other chats, more updated recent chats that suggest that Deepika consumes drugs even now. No one knows. We don't know if she consumed them then, but we also don't know if the NCB has chats which are updated to 2020. That's on the left of your screens, the aircraft, viewers, that she's going to be taking off in. Apparently, it's a chartered aircraft. I'm going to get you more details on who it belongs to. We're trying to zoom in on those pictures. Difficult to read the insignia on that. But let me bring in Shabir very quickly. Shabir, this chartered flight, do we have any idea who this chartered plane belongs to? Who is the operator? Shabir, can you hear me? Okay, we don't quite have. Siddhant, let me bring in Siddhant. Siddhant, just very quickly tell me, do we have any idea as to who this chartered flight belongs to? Who's the operator? Who has decided to help Deepika reach Mumbai in time for her summons, which is on Saturday now, deferred by a day?
Well, that's absolutely right, Rahul. We are also trying to...
Yes. Go ahead. Okay, I think we've lost him. I think there's something wrong with the manner in which you're holding the mic, Siddhanta. We're losing you. But that's, at this moment, slightly less the important point. Slightly less the important point. Now, it's very important, viewers, that you understand, because that flight is now beginning to take off. So the signet on that is VT GK8. It's got an insignia of some sort of a crest on it. I can't quite make out what it was, but the flight is taking off. Expect by 9 o'clock to touch down. Let's cut to both those pictures. Let me be in the center so I can give viewers an idea of what really transpired. About 15 minutes back, Deepika Padukone made an appearance at the Goa airport along with husband Ranveer and 4 others. We are being told that one of them is Karishma, the person she was speaking to in those chats that date back to 2017. We can't confirm that for you, but that is what we are being told. The flight that she has taken now, viewers, has taken off from Goa airport, the Double M airport. It's going to land in Mumbai in about 45 to 50 minutes, even an hour. After that, Deepika Padukone will exit the aircraft as well as the airport, and then she will obviously consult her legal team over tomorrow. Originally, she was expected to be questioned tomorrow, but that's not happening. It's been deferred by the day. That again, news broken here first by Times Now viewers. But in the backdrop of all of this, a desperate, furtive attempt is being made by a group of politicians and, of course, Bollywood bigwigs to suggest that Deepika is only being targeted because she made the mistake of standing in solidarity with JNU students earlier this year in the backdrop of the anti-CA agitations. It appears that some of these individuals are deliberately politicizing this issue with scant regards for the facts, viewers. Scant regards for the facts. The facts are that the drug agency is in possession of what appear to be chats between Deepika Padukone and her agent dating back to 2017. And that is the digital evidence that the NCB says points towards drug consumption. Now, obviously, there are lawyers who are pinning already big holes in the NCB's claims. There are, of course, others who are saying that why are the Congress Party, the NCP, a whole group of Bollywood bigwigs trying to cook up surmises and pretexts to try and discredit this investigation into what many people believe is quite an incipient problem with Bollywood. So that is really the subtext. Let's just quickly open this up. I don't know if I have more reporters with me. I'm going to try and go back to Siddhant. But breaking news coming in on the show. The first bit of breaking news on our screens. Let's fire that. That's big news. Deepika to leave shortly. She's on her way now to Mumbai. But the questioning has been delayed. Questioning has been delayed by 24 hours. And we are being told that the questioning will also be taking place in that Colaba NCP guest house, viewers. She's going to be returning in that chartered plane from Goa. Let's move on with the breaking news is Deepika to be questioned on Saturday. We are also being told the drug chats to be the focus of the NCB sleuths. That's the fourth big breaking news that we are putting out here. Mal you have and hash not weed are the questions that are going to be directed at her. They're going to ask her, why did you use these words? What do these words mean? What does mal mean? What does hash and weed mean? Are they what they actually are purported to be, which are the names for drugs, or are they code name for something else? We will also, of course, have to wait and see if there are more chats, viewers. Now, remember, this agency, the NCB has sweeping powers, big powers, and it can actually go into other aspects, more updated WhatsApp messages if it were to. And we don't know if they have them or not. But let me go back to Siddhant very quickly. Siddhant, Deepika to go for questioning with her team. This is very big, very, very big news. And Siddhant, with some energy tonight, let's make it very clear that this is not a frivolous exercise that the NCP is embarking on. It is part of a larger attempt at trying to arrive at who are the bigwigs in Bollywood that are running what many people now think is quite an well-entrenched drug racket. Whether it extends to all the stars, we don't know. Whether it covers all of Bollywood, we don't know. It's obvious it won't. But certainly, the NCP has a reason to be looking into this. Yes, Siddhant.
Well, that's absolutely right, Rahul. And this I can confirm for the viewers that more than 39 names from the B-Town are currently with the Narcotics Control Bureau. They are verifying those names. They are not just simply raiding their houses. They are not just simply summoning, sir. Now, these visuals are from the gate number 8 of Mumbai Airport. We have been told that the plane has taken off. The plane of Deepika and Ranveer is going to take maximum, Rahul, 35 to 40 minutes. Usually, a flight from Goa takes next 50 minutes, but since this is a chartered flight, it's just going to take 35 to 40 minutes. They will be here, and we have been told that this is the exit gate that they will be using. Now, the fact here is, Rahul, that we have been told that Karishma's questioning was delayed. She sought exemption on the health grounds. This is what NCB officials are telling us. And tomorrow, Karishma is going to appear before the NCB, and on Saturday, and Deepika has also sought for an exemption, and on Saturday, Deepika Padukone will appear before the NCB. Now, Rahul, your question was whether it is a frivolous exercise by the Narcotics Control Bureau. The answer is no, Rahul, because the way they are doing the investigation, I've been tracking it from a very first day. They have two specific CIR. They are working upon those CIR. These names have come in the chats. These names have come during a course of an interrogation. They have proof with them. Let's not jump to any conclusion. It is in some.
Not jump to any conclusion. Yes, that's the operative words. Let's not jump to any conclusions. But the NCB is serious about this investigation. It's opened it out. You can question the remit of the NCB. You can say whether it is an authority that should be looking into private drug consumption or not. I'll come back to the other reporters. There's much more to break. Viewers, I want to open this out very, very quickly. And I want to begin with Dr. Anand Ranganathan tonight. Dr. Ranganathan, is the lobby right? Dr. Anand Ranganathan, I want to ask you a specific question tonight. And this is an important one. I just want to ask you this question. And I want to ask you this question in all earnestness, because there is so much talk. So many politicians. In fact, let me just first play out the bites of some of these politicians. Listen to them, the incredulity with which they are supplying a fig leaf to those who are today under the glare of the NCB. Let's play out those sound bites. Listen to this, viewers, very, very carefully.
पादुकोण या एनसीबी से कोई मतलब नहीं है। हाँ, इतनी बात जरूर है कि इस देश का दुर्भाग्य है कि 2 महीने से प्रायोरिटी न कोरोना है, न चीन है, न आर्थिक व्यवस्था है, न रोजगार है। अगर आप एजेंसीज की बात करते हैं तो एजेंसीज के दुरुपयोग में अगर पीएचडी और सुपर पीएचडी मिल सकती है किसी को, तो इस सरकार को सबसे पहले मिलनी चाहिए।
हमारे बिहार के उस ब्राइट युवा को न्याय मिलेगा कि नहीं, मैं नहीं जानता, लेकिन कहानियां इतनी पलटती जा रही हैं। और कमाल है, 25 सितंबर को संभवतः बुलाया है, और ये वही दिन है जब पूरे देश में किसानों ने देशव्यापी बंद और हड़ताल का संदेश दिया है। तो ये संयोग कहूं या प्रयोग कहूं?
और भी नाम आ रहा है ना, कुछ सारा।
Very important, viewers. That was the BJP, of course, reacting. We know what they're going to say. They're going to say that the NCB is doing a job it is mandated to do. Of course, we'll open that out. But Dr. Anand Ranganathan, you just heard the RJD spokesperson and a member of parliament coming out and saying that this is being done to coincide with the big protest tomorrow. Of course, she's not being questioned tomorrow. So look in hindsight how off the mark the RJD is. You've heard Dr. Singhvi. He says that the decision has been taken to go after this lot because they provide great distraction to the masses who need to be completely turned away from the economic mess that has clutched their lives. What do you make of this?
Good evening, Rahul. You know, the claims of this so-called lobby are as laughable as some of the lobbies themselves. Now, I need to make a couple of points here. Number one, you see, they are saying that Deepika is being targeted because she is, quote unquote, against the government, against the establishment, against Modi, pro this thing. So what is the ideology of Sara Ali Khan, or what is the ideology of Riya Chakrabarti? Is she a Modi Bhakt? Is she a Aptard? Is she a Kongi? This is absolutely ridiculous. And there have been so many people who were supporting the JNU, whatever the protests that were going on, so many who weren't. And if this is the beginning, and if it is universally acknowledged that most of Bollywood has done drugs, some of them have even admitted so, like for example Kangana, ideology doesn't come into this. And number two, very quickly, Rahul, this is also very important. You see, we've seen that leopard doesn't change its spot, and lobby is one of them. If you remember, during the Indian Me Too movement, the directors and the actors from Bollywood, for example, I can take the names now because the courts have also acquitted them. Alok Nath, for example, Nana Patekar, Vivek Agnihotri. These allegations were made against them by women, and this lobby, everyone from top to bottom stood with the women, and they proclaimed all these people guilty until proven innocent. But right now, when one of their members has been alleged to have committed, grave sexual misconduct, they are supporting they are not, willing to believe the woman who has made these claims against it. So, this has been known for 6 years. They will go hook, line and sinker against everything that makes some sense. So, I'm not surprised at all. Just ignore them.
Ignore them. Sanjay Hegde, let me ask you, do these individuals who are today supplying alibis, fig leaves, what have you, to Deepika Padukone think they'll be able to shield the summon actors by branding the NCB the Namo Control Bureau? That's what they're calling it. Yes, Mr. Hegde.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yes.
Okay. Because there is an audio problem, let me be quick. People can say anything, but the people of India are not fools. There is a message which is definitely going out. The message is being perceived both among the people as well as the industry. It is true that there are a lot of individuals who have come in within the scope of this investigation. But at the end of the day, the NCB does not have recoveries beyond 59 grams of grass. That is not what the NCB's mandate is. The NCB's mandate is to go after big cartels. You want to sort of paint your biggest source of soft power, Bollywood, as a den of druggies. Well, that's your privilege. There will be, of course, questions on whether it is political, non-political. I'll give the agency the benefit of doubt that they are following orders. The question is whose order?
Whose orders? Rajiv Pandey, whose orders? You're a spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. You're being asked this question by Sanjay Hegde, who says that this is all an attempt to discredit, to distract. He agrees fundamentally in that position. You need to respond.
Rahul, the way these people who are attacking the NCB, calling them Namo Control Bureau or whatever it is laughable, because one thing you have just proved that now the questioning is not going to take place tomorrow. Second point I want to say, everybody is saying Deepika is being framed. That means somebody went inside that chat and sent that chat that has and whatever it is. So, this is not acceptable at all. Law is taking its own course. And whoever is claiming that government is targeting these people, that is unacceptable, because government did not produce that chat. Government did not send that chat from Riya Chakravarti's mobile to Deepika Padukone mobile. It has come out of the investigation. That is my one point. Second point, they are trying to blame where the investigation is taking. Everybody is saying it is not the mandate of the NCB. You have seen in Kerala case, there was a gold smuggling case, and the moment investigation started, people came to know that gold smuggling was for terrorists. And NIA is now investigating, ED is investigating. I am saying NCB is investigating this case to know the real truth. What is the truth behind this? Is there is a gang? Because Rahul, I know very well, in this country, all hawala money, all drug-related money, all smuggling money goes only for two activities. One is for terrorism and another is for Naxalism. So in my view, NCB should try to go to the end and find out who are the people who are doing this business of drugs, as well as hawala, as well as all kind of smuggling. I personally feel if we have to protect this country from terrorists and Naxals, we have to go after all these people so that their backbone can be broken, because these things manage through money. You have seen in Kashmir what has happened. The moment hawala operation was stopped.
You're saying that money is coming in. It's
Certainly.
Okay. So that's why the NCB needs to go into this, because
Of
drugs
course,
is an organized
NCB
activity.
should-
Okay, one
NCB
second, Vivek
Rahul,
Srivastava.
only one line. Rahul,
Vivek
only one
Srivastava,
line.
left sympathizer with us. Yes. Yeah, okay.
NCB
Rajiv
should
Pandey, yes.
unearth everything. NCB should
Yeah,
unearth
all this-
everything.
Yes,
that
yes,
from
yes.
how this kind of drugs.
हाँ,
and he's
हाँ, अब हो
saying
गया,
that
आपका comedy circus हो गया,
59
अब आप चुप हो
grams,
जाइए।
There is a chat.
आपका
There is
comedy
a chat.
circus हो गया, BJP.
Okay, no, don't be disparaging. Vivek Srivastava, don't be disparaging. What do you mean comedy circus? This is not right. No, please don't be
Yeah.
disparaging.
So now-
You have a habit.
People have
You have a
made
habit. You have a very bad
How
habit.
dare you come
And
here?
don't be
तो आप
disparaging.
सुनिए।
Leader is also
If you
coming.
have
Don't
the
do
patience,
that.
give me a minute.
Don't do injustice
If
to
you
your
have
own
the
case.
guts and the
If you
patience,
have an
give me a
argument
minute
to
to speak.
make it on merits. If you don't, shut
Yeah,
up.
no,
I'm
there's
sorry.
no
I'm being rude with
injustice.
you.
ये comedy
But
circus
this is
ही है।
not the way.
अब आप
I'm not
सुनिए।
going to take
Now
this
let me
night
speak.
after night.
If you have the courage, give me a minute.
I'll
If
give you
don't
four,
have the courage,
no,
keep
I'll give you
shouting.
4 minutes. I'll
If
give you
have the
5 minutes.
courage,
But
give
you
me a minute.
please
If
talk
don't have the courage,
sense.
keep
And don't
shouting.
make stupid remarks.
Then give me the minutes and listen
Don't
to me.
make silly remarks.
No, you
Don't make
define the sense.
inconsequential
Who are you
remarks.
to define the sense?
Don't make
I am a
disparaging
sense, I'll
remarks.
Speak my mind out.
Stop it.
आप थोड़ी
I'm
ना
asking
define
you.
करेंगे कि आप
I'm
किस
asking you
हिसाब
the
से
question now.
I'll
You
tell
take
you
the
what.
question from me.
I'll tell you what.
take the
Now
question
listen to
from me, sir. You take
Yeah.
the question from me.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
Now listen to me.
Yes.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Is the fear of exposure making some oppose the NCB probe into charges of drug abuse in B-Town? Simple question. These are charges against some individuals. Why shouldn't they be probed?
No.
Is there a problem?
No, absolutely not. Now, there are 2 points I want to make. And let me please complete both the points. Point number 1, the NCB was sleeping. The Modi government was sleeping. 5 years of Devendra Fadnavis rule. And the drugs were still in Bollywood. Why didn't they act? And why did we need a Sushant Singh Rajput to die? After which NCB comes into action. And drugs are everywhere. In Delhi, in Mumbai, in Bangalore, across the nation drugs are there. And the NCB now comes into action when the media goes and Bollywood becomes a scandal. This is the first part. Second most important point. The government is doing a diversion tactics because we are going to start a protest. Kal farmers ka protest hai. Labor codes
कल
galat
आप
aap laye
farmer का
hain. Just to
protest.
divert from that, suddenly all this
करिए,
Deepika Padukone comes up.
Padukone का
Thirdly,
investigation
सुन लो भाई,
होने
सुन लो.
वाला है.
चुप
Listen,
बैठो और सुनो.
what about will
चुप
not
बैठो
help?
और मुझे सुनो.
In this country,
चुप
everybody
बैठो.
talks
One
about
second,
that
one
what
second, one
Modi-
second. Let him
Oh, please
finish.
keep
Let him
quiet.
finish. Let him finish.
Thirdly, in Bollywood, thirdly, in Bollywood, if everyone is taking the drugs, which is wrong, I am not here to defend Deepika if she takes the drugs. But then you are victimizing, you are having a scandals only against those names who do not agree and listen to the Modi government.
Okay.
And who criticize the government. So
Okay.
you are selective.
People
you don't have the
who are
guts
critical
to
are
catch hold of
getting,
those names
are getting
who are
wrapped up
pro-Modi.
in all of this.
That is also a reality.
Dr.
And
Anand
I am
Ranganathan wants to
not
come in
defending
first on
Deepika.
that, and I'll
If
bring in the
Deepika is
BJP's
wrong,
point of view right
please
after.
jail her.
Okay, Vivek Srivastava, relax. You made your points. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, quick rebuttal.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, Vivek, I have one very simple question to ask you, my friend.
Go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thanks, Vivek. Who is Binesh Kudieri?
Pardon?
Who is Binesh
Hello.
Kudieri? Who is Binesh
is
Kudieri?
Binesh-
Simple question to you.
Binesh Kudieri.
Problems with the hearing? Problems
I-
with the hearing aid?
I am.
डरो
There's a
नहीं,
problem. I'm
डरो
not
नहीं,
able to hear
विवेक
you.
बता दो.
Yeah,
Yes.
it
Can you
turns. It turns.
क्या?
I'll
खराब
tell
हो
you,
जाता है
Rahul.
जब sensitive
Binesh
नाम उठाते हैं
Kudieri
आप.
is the son of the CPIM secretary.
No.
Yes. Who has ED has unearthed
Okay.
that he may have a big role
So-
to play in
so
the
what?
recent drug scandal unearthed in Bangalore that has a connection to Kerala.
This is utter nonsense. This is utter
He
nonsense.
is the son of
Your
Kudieri
narrative is utter
Balakrishnan,
nonsense.
CPIM secretary.
Anybody who takes
कुछ तो
drugs,
बोलो,
please act
अपने
against him.
गिरेबान में झांक लो
Please act
पहले.
against him. This is dumb. But don't be selective. Don't
Now
try
you
to
see, now
target
suddenly
Deepika
this has
because
come.
she went to JNU.
Anybody who
That is
takes
my
drugs,
point.
act
Also
against them.
target
So that
those
is what
people
ED is doing.
who support
That
the
is what
Bharatiya Janata
NCB is
Party
doing, isn't
and
it?
who are sitting in Bollywood. And there are many such
Rahul,
names.
Rahul, a
And
minute
don't make
ago
it a
he was
BJP
saying-
versus Shiv Sena,
he was
which is
saying
what the
don't-
government is
don't
trying to
act
make.
Okay,
Sir,
so
आप
what
बताइए drugs Mumbai
Dr.
पहुंचे कैसे?
Anand Ranganathan
आप
is saying, one
बताइए
second,
drugs
gentlemen,
Mumbai
one second.
पहुंचे कैसे? How
He
did
says
the
take
drugs
action
reach
against
Mumbai?
everyone.
What was the NCB doing?
Okay, Vivek Srivastava.
Sir, how did the
Vivek,
drugs
1
reach
minute,
Mumbai?
calm
Please
down,
tell me
listen
that.
to me. Now you
उड़ के
can hear
पहुंचे,
everybody, you can
plane
hear
से
everybody
पहुंचे,
clearly. You were a
airlift
bit
किया.
stunned by that question. You didn't know how to react. Now everything
sure.
is clear. Your eardrums are buzzing
No,
with
no,
words.
absolutely not.
And your
Absolutely
mind
not.
is racing to find them and your tongue is expatiating
No.
them at lightning speed. Great.
Absolutely
Now
not,
listen to me.
sir.
Now listen to me. That's
6
good. All
years,
systems
6
are
years,
working.
NCB
All
sleeping.
systems are working. The
6
left is
years,
back on
NCB
track. Okay, now
sleeping.
1 minute. I just want to say, viewers, are they skeletons? Now 1 minute. You know, it's very interestingly put. It's very interestingly put. The Fadnavis government did nothing for 5 years. The Fadnavis government was supported by another government, by another party. You might recall that. In fact, that party wanted the CM's chair all through Fadnavis's regime. Can someone name that party? It's a general knowledge question. Kanika ji, can you name that party? Who was Fadnavis government being supported by? Can you tell me?
Me to speak finally. I want to first of all say
No,
that
answer the question
I don't
I
want
asked
to
you.
get.
I asked
No,
you.
no.
The Fadnavis government. Now let's talk
No,
about
I will
selectivism.
answer. I will answer. Let me speak. I'll come on
Let's
a
go
debate.
question
Please.
by question. Let's be
No,
reasonable here.
First,
I'm
I
asking-
would like to. I've been listening for 25
No,
minutes.
so let me ask you the
speak.
question. Let me ask you the question.
I want to first of all ask you
who was the
that
BJP
please, you ask
Fadnavis
somebody
government
not
being
to use
supported by?
disparaging comments. I want to request you not to use disparaging and misogynistic comments like saying, whose aircraft is it? Who is supporting Deepika? I'm sorry, she's an
Why?
earning woman.
Why?
And
No,
she
one
can
minute,
pay
one
for
minute,
the-
one
for an
minute, one minute,
aircraft.
one
Okay,
second,
that's
one
the first
second, one
thing.
second. Just
The
give me
second
30
thing-
seconds. I want to correct this. This is very wrong. You're putting words in my mind.
No, you
In my
said
mouth.
who is
All I
suppo-
said
how
is,
does it matter?
who is, one
Aircraft-
second, madam.
That's
Relax,
relevant.
1 second. Kanika Sadanan, 1 minute, let me, you asked me a question. You're diverting this entire conversation. Let me ask you the question. Who is, 1 minute, let me, you don't want anyone to speak?
No, you
Only
don't
you want to
anybody
speak? You don't want to answer the questions? You want to make accusations? Don't target me. Don't target me. You answer the question. Otherwise, you can. No. 1 second, madam. Madam, this is a two-way conversation. This is not a monologue. So I'm asking you a question.
Speak what I feel.
I am asking you a question. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. You need to answer my question. You need to answer my question and you need to listen to me.
From Manipur, who's from BJP, who
Let me ask you the question.
Hall of more than
This is
95 of more
bizarre.
than 95,000 kilograms of hashish and ganja.
Is that person being
Chandrika
prosecuted?
Chauhan.
Is that person being prosecuted? Is there not a
And
case
who-
against that person?
And by the way,
Is there a
Hawala
case
money
against the
is not
person,
used
madam?
for
Is there a
only
case against the
terrorism and
person?
nationalism.
Okay,
Hawala
let me
money
bring
is
in the
also
BJP.
used
You have
for
so many
trading.
questions, but you won't answer one.
Politics, people
You won't
use it
answer
for
one.
horse
This is the
trading.
problem, viewer. This is the symptom.
Shiv Sena,
This is the symptom of the
can you
disease.
answer?
This
Shiv
is the
Sena
symptom of the
was
disease.
part of the
The
government.
symptom is.
The question you asked me, I'm answering that.
No, you're not answering it.
Sena
You're not answering it,
was
madam.
government.
You're not answering it. You are trying to
I just
create.
said to you,
No.
Shiv
You are
Sena
trying
was
to
part of the
create
government.
by. No,
I
one
don't
second. No,
hold
one
an
second.
agenda
One
for
second.
any
If you were such an equalist, you would not be jumping to paint Deepika Padukone a victim. Please. She can speak
you
for
said,
herself. She
how
can
is it
defend
voting
herself.
in this case?
She doesn't
Which
need.
aircraft she comes-
She doesn't
she
need
comes
Miss
by
Sadanan.
Rajdhani?
She doesn't need
No, you
Kanika
said
Sadanan.
there's a-
She
please
doesn't
rewind
need
what you
Kanika
said.
Sadanan.
I found
She
it very
doesn't need
objectionable.
Kanika Sadanan. Now you
Let us
listen
see
to
who
me.
is supporting
You
her.
listen to me now for 30
Can
seconds.
she not pay for her own
1 second.
chartered flight?
1 second. You need to listen
Sorry.
to me for 30
Sorry.
seconds.
No, you need to
You
listen also
listen
to
to me
people.
for 30 seconds, if you can.
I've been listening
If you
for
have the
25
patience.
minutes.
If you have the patience. If you don't, you can tell me. We don't have to have this conversation. Simple.
Oh, we don't have to, but you have to listen to me if you invite me.
Simple.
And especially when
But
you
I'm
give me
asking you a
chance to talk
question.
for 25
You need to
minutes.
answer my
I've answered
question.
your
You don't answer my question.
I've answered.
I began with
Why
a
don't I
question.
ask you? Of course
I
I
began
asked
with
you.
a question. Let's
said
test you out. Answer my
I
question.
said
Who is
Sena.
supporting the Fadnavis government?
Sena.
Who
I said
supported the
Sena.
Fadnavis government for
This is the
5 years?
seventh time I've said it. This
Tell
is
me.
the seventh time I've said it.
Who
Shiv
did it?
Sena.
Shiv Sena. Okay, now stop. Now let me bring the next point. So why, viewers, why are we saying that it's only the BJP that didn't clean up Bollywood for the last 5 years? And if that enterprise is being defeated today, which party is in power?
Of the BJP.
Which government
The
is
Prime
in
Minister
power?
is of the BJP.
So the question is,
It's a BJP Prime Minister.
aren't everybody involved
The Home
in
Minister is
covering
of
up?
the BJP.
Don't we know for 30 years?
NCB is a
1 minute,
central
Vivek
government body.
Srivastava. Don't make me shout tonight.
The central government has
1
failed.
minute, Vivek
Sir, the
Srivastava. 1
central
minute, I'm going to
government
have
has
to lower
failed.
your fader.
Please don't try to-
make me shout
Sir,
tonight. I'm making a
उसको बचाने की
holistic
कोशिश
statement
मत करिए,
here.
sir.
Viewers,
Sir,
the biggest
central government
secret,
किसकी है, sir?
open secret
Prime Minister of which party?
in Bollywood of money that comes in from the underworld to finance movies. You've seen stars all through the 80s and 90s. Shut them up. You've heard stars in the 80s and 90s going to Dubai, dancing at parties held by Dawood Ibrahim. You have heard of stars being booked for collaborating with the underworld and going into jail. You have heard of Supari killings being ordered by the underworld against other competitors of a certain group of people in
Who
Bollywood.
weeded them out?
You have heard,
Which
1 minute,
government weeded
1
them
minute,
out?
1 minute, Kanika Sadanand, 1 second, let me finish. I'm just making it very clear here. This is not a partisan debate. Every political party has failed this country when it comes to cleaning up the dirty, seedy underbelly of a section of Bollywood. I don't think there can be any debate about that because Bollywood has made movies about that. Have we forgotten? No, we haven't. We choose to forget. They've documented it themselves. Who are we to question? That's the reality. And if today, willy-nilly, someone thinks that a few people need to be questioned, can they think themselves to be above the law? They can't. Proffer yourself, come out there, answer the questions, clean heart, clean conscience, you'll go. The NCB needs to be asked, obviously, questions about why they have slept for the last 15, 20 years. Who's stopping you from asking those questions? Nobody. But the fact of the matter is, let us today, at least today, not politicize a simple routine summons and a questioning. Why should that be the case? Mr. Pandit, why should that be the case? Why should you have so many people outraging about the fact that a few summons have gone out?
Can I come in on this?
No, you can't. You've lost your chance. Mr. Pandit,
Because
yes.
Rahul,
Mr. Pandit, yes, Mr. Pandit, yes.
Thank you, Rahul.
Mr. Pandit, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul. May I have my say, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
I think first and foremost, the biggest line of defense is that with superstardom, with clout, with money, with power comes entitlement. Entitlement to defy laws. Entitlement to do as you please. Which is why they are hunting for excuses. I just heard a spurious argument that under Devendra Fadnavis government, where was NCB? Is your argument that there were no drug seizures in that era? During those 5 years, no drug peddler was nabbed, no drug case was filed, no prosecution happened. We didn't have a lead on a superstar at that time, so there wasn't such a controversy. Today we have a lead. Today you have stumbled on a certain evidence. So there is this news. Are you going to say that during Sharad Pawar's time there was no NCB? During Ashok Deshmukh's time there was no NCB? I mean, what kind of a logic is this? Please allow me to offend because somebody went through the net before me. I mean, can that be an argument ever? This is the way you are trying to whitewash the sins
अरे भाई साहब, आपको लीड ही नहीं मिलती, हम भी यही बोल रहे हैं। I mean, देवेंद्र फडणवीस की सरकार को लीड ही नहीं मिलती थी।
लीड
बॉलीवुड में ड्रग्स चल रहा है, मुंबई ड्रग्स पहुंच रहा है, देश में ड्रग्स घूम रहा है, लेकिन एनसीबी स्लीपिंग, देवेंद्र फडणवीस नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट। अभी
लीड मिल रही है सबकी।
अरे सुनिए,
पेट में दर्द हो रहा है।
The death of Sushant Singh Rajput
अब लीड मिलनी शुरू हुई है तो पेट में दर्द है।
To wake up the NCB and to wake up the Modi government।
पहले कोई मुकदमे नहीं थे,
लीड अब इसलिए मिलनी शुरू हुई है कि एक सुशांत सिंह राजपूत मरे। मैं बताता हूं, मेरे बोलने का ये मतलब है 6 साल में बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट फेल हुई है, एनसीबी फेल हुई है।
Vivek Srivastava, don't be, one second, don't be blinkered by what many people will today say, sir,
No, no, I'm
is
not
a
linked to it.
short-term
NCB
memory. Come on,
is
open
not
your
linked to it.
open your
NCB
eyes
is
a
an-
little
No, is
wider.
NCB a state subject?
Look beyond your
Is NCB a
political.
state subject?
No, 1 second. Look
Is
beyond your
NCB a state
political
subject?
bias.
It is not.
Calm down. Listen, I don't
Why
want to
do we
shout over
have
you.
drugs across the nation?
I don't want to shout over
Why
you,
do
sir.
we have drugs?
I don't want to
Sir,
shout over
Why do
you.
we have drugs across the nation?
I don't want to shout
Sir,
over
आप
you. I'm
बताइए
going to
ना,
bring in the
दिल्ली में drugs
BJP
क्यों हैं?
spokesperson
दिल्ली
and
में
I'm going to
drugs
ask
कहाँ से आ रहे
Sanjay
हैं, sir?
Gupta.
Sir, आप बता दीजिए ना, sir.
And I'm also going to ask Rajiv Pandey. Rajiv Pandey, you're the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And I want to ask you, you see, the trouble is that when the center, which is also run by the BJP, investigates, then no one wants to give credit to the center for investigating. They only want to pull down the BJP in the state for not investigating. I can't understand that. But nonetheless, satisfy our curiosity, sir. Is the summons to these several actresses coinciding with the farmers' protest? What's going on around us? You need to explain this to the viewer tonight, because these individuals are making it all about vendetta. Can't hear you, Mr. Pandey. Yeah.
Just you have shown, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Just you have shown the RJD spokesperson, Mr. Sanjay Jha, that it is coming tomorrow, and tomorrow they are investigating.
Manoj Jha.
Manoj Jha. I'm sorry, Manoj Jha.
Yeah.
So that issue is changed. What I'm trying to say, NCB will not decide that when to investigate whom. I am saying it is not going to make any difference. They are trying to talk about the farmers' rights and other things. They have miserably failed. 2006 commission report, Swaminathan commission report is there. They did not implement. These communists and Congress.
Okay, one second. I don't want to divert from it. Okay, so both sides are blaming each other. This is becoming politicized. It's a shame. 1 minute. I want to go across to Siddhant. We're getting some inputs. Rakul Preet Singh. 1 second. Siddhant, I want to join.
There is no
Siddhant, I want to come across to you. You told us at about 8 o'clock that two actors will be landing at around the same time. Rakul Preet Singh, as well as, of course, Deepika Padukone. More pictures have come in of Deepika Padukone going through all the formalities in the airport in Goa about an hour back. There she walks hand in hand with Ranveer, who's wearing a pinkish white shirt, off-white shirt. He's got a floppy hat on, going through the motions. Boarding passes being examined. They've taken a chartered flight. When are they expected? Siddhant, when are they expected?
Well, that's right, Rahul. Well, yes, that's right, Rahul. It takes hardly 35 to 40 minutes if you are traveling by a chartered flight. Right now, I'm reporting from outside the gate number 8 of Kalina. I would ask Mr. Nagaonkar to give some shots. Now, Rahul, any moment from now, the chartered plane can land and they will make an exit from this exit gate. Now, the fact here is, Rahul, we cannot spot vehicles of either Ranveer Singh or Deepika Padukone yet. There are some SUVs parked inside, but we cannot spot this specific vehicle. There could be a possibility that to evade media questions, to evade Times Now stuff questions, they might take another route. But that possibility is less. For now, we can see movement out here. We can see the Jawans here guarding the gates. The movement have increased. Police deployment have also come. Local police has sent the force. Now you see, Rahul, we'll give you some visuals. So this is the exit. Mostly the VVIPs come from this particular gate. Only a few limited SUVs are parked here. Deepika and Ranveer's convoy and cars have not arrived yet. So this is something which is raising question. They might take another gate to make an exit from an airport. But for
we've
now,
got all
Rahul,
the gates covered. We've got all the exits covered. Mohit Bhatt is also there with us at another gate. Mohit, what are you hearing? What are you hearing from your sources? Have they landed? Have they reached? Are they expected out? Mohit. Okay, I don't think he's there with us, but we've got the exit. Let's just have a look at those pictures as we look at that. Those are the pictures from about an hour back. Any moment now, viewers, we're going to be seeing these individuals emerging from that airport. Siddhant, I just want to ask you a very specific question. You said that 39 names are with the NCB. Are all of them top stars? Because we know that there are certain male actors who are now being tracked. So give us a quick running account of what the NCB is onto. Break that. Yeah. Yes.
Well, yes, that's absolutely right, Rahul. All these pedis, those who have been arrested by Mr. Wankhede, have given names of lot of A, B, C category of actors, which includes even actors from TV industry. And you see, tomorrow the summons have already been issued to Dharma Productions director, top director of Dharma Productions, Kshitij Prasad, have been called in. This morning raids were also conducted. Now, agency doesn't want to speculate things. They don't want to simply give out things to media that he is under lens or she is under the lens. They first verify the names. They make their case concrete, and then they start issuing summons, or even the names come out in media. Now I can confirm that there are 39 people as far as 15 by 20 CIR is concerned, and 20 names are in 16 by 20 FIR, which is directly linked to Sushant Singh Rajput, Riya Chakrabarti case. So these 20 names are mainly from the TV industry. With this particular case is handled by Mr. Samir Wankhede, and on Saturday, Shraddha and Sara are going to appear in this 16 by 20 CIR. So you see, Rahul, in total there are more than 60 to 70 names currently with the Narcotics Control Bureau. They are verifying all those names, whether there is some link or some petty is simply throwing name to save him, or there is some really deep connection, because they are looking into a cartel. They want to catch a big fish, the big fish which is supplying drugs in Bollywood. So they are not going after some small consumer of drugs or hashish. Now there you see,
yes.
Mercedes has, this is Maybach, this is Deepika
Open it.
Padukone's car. We can
Yes.
confirm for viewers, Rahul, this is Maybach, this is Deepika Padukone's car. Getting inside the gate number 8, we can confirm they are going to use this gate. We can confirm for our viewers, they are going to use this particular gate. The cars have arrived. You can see the two cars have come. This is Mercedes S500 which has come, MH01CH0500, and this is SUV which has come. So now we can confirm there is a movement. Any moment from now, Rahul, let's stick to these visuals. Let's stick to on ground. Any moment from now, the flight can land, and they will take exit from this gate. My colleague Mohit Sharma is also here. We have 4 camera teams out here from gate number 8 to give each and every movement of Deepika and Ranveer. They are traveling with their legal team. Karishma is also with them, Rahul. Very important. Karishma will appear before agency tomorrow. She sought exemption. Karishma is the key because she was also a member of the WhatsApp group of Jaya Saha. And Karishma, that particular chat is with Commissioner. Now, NCB is also going to question them regarding that party which took place at Coco restaurant in Kamla Mills. So that particular party, Deepika Padukone will also be questioned, Karishma will also be questioned, and NCB will also be looking into, Rahul, that whether these people were providing drugs on an individual level or it was a company's instruction. These instructions came from company to keep the stars happy. Whatever they want, just provide it to them.
Point.
So that is going to be
Siddhant,
a part of
very
an
important
investigation.
point.
That would be a
Very important point, viewers. Very important point made by Siddhant. Yes, was Deepika in conversation with Karishma? Karishma, talent manager, was she acting alone? Remember, Kwan is now at the center of all of this. This particular agency's executives have been questioned. Now, Siddhant, I just want to ask you this question. Has any action been taken by Kwan against some of these employees for facilitating what is alleged to be drug transactions? I am not jumping to conclusions, but those are the conclusions that the NCB is drawing. So, can you update us on that?
Well, this is a very important question, Rahul, and thanks for asking it. Let's tell this to our viewers. When Jaya Saha was being grilled by KPS Malhotra, a man on the hot seat, she replied she was trying to protect the clients of Kwan. Now, what the reply that she gave to NCB was shocking. She told NCB that most of these stars are depressed, they work a lot, they are workaholic, so keep themselves happy, they consume drugs. So this was a statement made by Jaya Saha before NCB. She also said that she has a receipt of the CBD oil she procured for 4 different personalities, which include Sushant Singh Rajput, Riya Chakrabarti, Madhu Mantena, and one other. So this was a reply that Jaya is giving, and in a way, Kwan is trying to protect their clients at this point in time.
Okay,
Rahul.
Protect their clients. Well, that would be obvious, but we're going to take a very short break. We are back in precisely 2 minutes. Any moment now. Deepika Padukone is expected to exit from that gate in her Maybach, in her car. We're just coming right back to you. Stay with me. Well, big news coming in, viewers. 39 names with the NCB. Some of them, of course, are being summoned. More will be summoned. This is getting bigger by the moment. We are being told right now that the cars that are going to ferry Deepika Padukone from the airport back to her residence have arrived at the airport. They're expected to land any moment now. They might have even landed. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, what is this entire episode that we have been privy to over the last few days epitomize? What does it, in symbolic terms, mean to you?
Rahul, very, very quickly, 2 points. Number one, what it means is that the muck is finally coming up. And Bollywood needs to act. It needs to recognize that it has a problem. It needs to identify the problem, and only then you can rectify it. And one very important thing, Rahul, that you also mentioned, I think a couple of days ago, that needs to be emphasized is the follows, which is that many people are saying that why are only those who are against this government are being targeted? Why are only women being targeted? Nobody is tapping their phones. Nobody has procured their phones legally or illegally. These names have cropped up because the investigation was focused on one lady, I think Jaya, or a couple of people who were involved in
Mr.
procuring
Gupta.
and distributing the drugs. Otherwise, these names wouldn't have come up. These names are all linked. It's like that Radia tapes controversy. Nobody was tapping the journalists. Their names came up because they were tapping the conduit, Neera Radia. So that is a very important distinction to be made and emphasized, that nobody is targeting these stars. Their names wouldn't have come up.
So it's not a privacy
had
issue.
they had no associations, or their names had not cropped up on the phone numbers of the procurers.
Okay, Sanjay Gupta, why politicize? Why politicize? Why add adjectives, epithets to discredit? Why?
देखिए, इसमें पॉलिटिसाइज करने की बात, वैसे तो मैं एक बात ये कहना चाहूंगा राहुल जी, कि जिस तरह से आपने कहा कि सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज और सभी सरकारें इसको रोकने में फेल रही हैं, तो मैं आपकी इस बात से सहमत हूं, क्योंकि 3 करोड़ लोग ऐसे हैं जो हमारे देश के अंदर आज ड्रग का सेवन कर रहे हैं, और किसी भी स्टेट के अंदर ऐसा नहीं है कि जहां पर ये ड्रग्स ना हो। ड्रग्स आता कहां से है? पाकिस्तान से आता है, अफगानिस्तान से आता है, नेपाल से आता है। बहुत सी हमारी स्टेट्स ऐसी हैं जहां पे इसकी पैदावार भी होती है। तो इसमें जिस तरह से मैं एक बात ये कहना चाहूंगा पॉलिटिकल भावना से ऊपर उठ करके, कि आज हमारे देश को एक सुनील दत्त साहब जैसे आदमी की जरूरत है कि जो लोगों को ये समझा सके कि ड्रग्स लेना किसी भी तरह से ठीक नहीं है, और ड्रग्स के लिए कोई भी ये नहीं कह सकता कि ड्रग्स लेना ठीक है। और जो लोग बॉलीवुड में हैं, जिन्हें की आदर्श होना चाहिए दूसरों के लिए, उन्हें तो ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं लेना चाहिए था, क्योंकि उन्हें तो आगे और दूसरों को रोकना था। मगर वो लोग भी ड्रग्स एडिक्शन में हैं, तो ये बड़े अफसोस की बात है। तो
So you're saying that you're saying, and of course you are a Shiv Sena supporter. So I'm glad, sir. Everyone is being honest.
लोगों का नाम आएगा?
Doctor, yes, making an intervention. What was that? We didn't quite catch it. किसका नाम आएगा?
Yes, I wanted to ask him. He said, because he said all parties are involved, I wanted to ask him if Mr. Gupta feels that some of his party members might also be involved.
पार्टी इसको रोक नहीं सकी, कोई भी सरकार इसको रोक नहीं सकी। इस पे मैंने कहा कि जब कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी
इसको रोक नहीं सकी, well, viewers, at least we've ended with some consensus that across the board there has been a failure by all political parties to clamp down. So today, whoever is trying to take the moral high ground is actually misleading this country. All of them have failed. Now we have a moment of clarity. Let's hope that we can at least get to the root of the problem. We're taking a short break. I'll be right back, viewers, with the first shots of Deepika emerging.